This is happening for the first time in the entire history of Shiba Inu. The stakes are higher than ever before, and the trillions of dollars involved are no laughing matter. The usual investors don't know what to do now that things have gotten out of hand. The whales are prepared for what could be the greatest opportunity to date, but where are Shiba Inus at this same moment? Then why is it very critical that we seize this opportunity? Now we can get down to brass tacks. The most recent data from Sentiment indicates that Shiba Inu is striking out on its own in the cryptocurrency market, displaying a rise of -5% for the previous 2 days. According to data collected by crypto analytics platforms, whales have been buying up Shiba Inu tokens at an unprecedented rate of 6.57 trillion in the past month, indicating a significant uptrend. The cryptocurrency market has been in a general downward spiral since June, with values reaching levels not seen in months. So this encouraging news comes at a good time. Regardless of this general tendency, the Shiba Inu breed has seen considerable difficulties, and its popularity has plummeted 43% since May 29th. Nevertheless, prices have started to level out as a result of less selling pressure, which is helping Shiba Inu recover a little bit. Since hitting rock bottom on July 5th, Shiba Inu has recovered 33%. Cryptocurrencies with market caps in the billions see gains of 33% as substantial. Demonstrates that Shiba Inu can bounce back quickly from setbacks when market circumstances improve despite recent difficulties. Investors can rest easy knowing this coin can weather the storms of the cryptocurrency market because to its impressive record. Witnessing the revival of Shiba Inus provides hope and relief to individuals who have suffered losses during the recession. Their perseverance and confidence in the coin seem to be bearing fruit, as seen by this. The emotional toll is high since many people who clung to their assets during the storm can finally see a way to possibly get their money back. Shiba Inu's recent success can be credited, in part, to its decoupling from the wider cryptocurrency market over the weekend, according to Sentiment. Many onlookers have taken notice of this unusual circumstance. Decoupling implies Shiba Inu isn't keeping tabs on the value of competing cryptocurrencies to the same extent. Shiba Inu's price dynamics are now affected by elements related to its ecosystem and investor mood, which is an intriguing development given its independence. On Saturday, Shiba Inu experienced its biggest one-day gain in 4 months, a meteoric 16% jump. Shiba Inu's price last had such positive momentum on March 4th, when it surged by a remarkable 59%. Taking into account the Shiba Inu's past makes this accomplishment all the more remarkable. In March, its price famously tripled in a week, showcasing its capacity for big and rapid price fluctuations. This latest increase confirms that Shiba Inus are very unpredictable and can get a lot of interest from the market. Shiba Inu saw a 10% drop the Sunday after this 16% spike on July 6th. In spite of this setback, it was able to maintain its advances above recent lows and started the new week with 2 days of intraday increases. By the time Sentiment reported it, Shiba Inus had put on 5% in just 2 days. Validating the significance of price increases requires maintaining above earlier lows. For example, the initial surge would have been viewed as a transitory spike instead of a lasting rebound if Shiba Inu hadn't managed to remain above its prior low positions following the 16% leap. Important for keeping the market's bullish momentum going, this consistency shows that investors' confidence and buying support are holding strong. As an example, picture a racer who gets out to a huge lead, but then suddenly slows down significantly. It is evidence of a genuine and long-lasting performance improvement if the runner can keep their pace consistently higher than their prior best timings. Maintaining a level above previous lows in the cryptocurrency market also indicates that the gains of late are becoming more stable and may eventually lead to even more gains. Shiba Inu has not only made a remarkable recovery, but it has also been highly active in terms of accumulation during the past month. Since June, a total of 6.57 trillion Shiba Inu coins have been acquired by the top 150 largest addresses outside of exchanges, according to Sentiment. Their combined holdings have increased thanks to this buying frenzy, which shows that big investors are very enthusiastic about the prospects of Shiba Inus. The flip side is that Shiba Inu reserves have been steadily declining over the last month at the exchanges. The 150 biggest exchange addresses have sold 5.53 trillion Shiba Inu worth of cryptocurrency since June. The bullish signal for Shiba Inu is sent by this positive piece of news. Withdrawals of significant quantities of a cryptocurrency from exchanges are usually indicators that investors are storing tokens in private wallets for future use rather than making them instantly tradable. This action shows a high level of certainty on the coin's potential for future value. When there is less supply on exchanges, it might lead to a scarcity effect, which could cause prices to rise if demand stays the same or goes higher. Shiba Inu withdrawals from exchanges are on the rise according to data from CryptoQuant. Net outflows have occurred on 24 of the last 31 days in the exchanges, according to the net flow indicator. An enormous $8.7 trillion worth of Shiba Inu tokens were removed from circulation in under 24 hours. Larger investors may have been secretly buying more tokens during the last market crash, while many smaller investors may have been selling their Shiba Inus in a fit of panic, according to this trend. It appears that these whales are making a calculated effort to hoard Shiba Inu tokens off market in anticipation of future price hikes, as seen by the substantial amounts taken from exchanges. The removal of tokens from exchanges by whales decreases the amount of tokens accessible for immediate trading, which, if demand stays the same or rises, can lead to scarcity and ultimately higher prices. Thus, this data suggests that big investors strongly believe in the long-term value and growth potential of Shiba Inus, even while the market experiences short-term volatility and panic selling. Consistent withdrawals have caused the Shiba Inu exchange reserve to fall to its all-time low of 143 trillion tokens. This is a major reduction in the supply of tokens available for trading on exchanges, which could cause their scarcity to rise, making it a noteworthy milestone. According to past data, significant price spikes in Shiba Inus have typically followed such a precipitous drop in currency reserves. As one example, a comparable trend was noted in February, immediately preceding the incredible 3,170% surge in Shiba Inu prices. The market was going absolutely bonkers at the moment due to the enormous rewards that investors were seeing with very little time invested. Current on-chain data shows unprecedented figures in terms of exchange withdrawals and diminished reserves, leading some to speculate if history is destined to repeat itself. It seems possible that Shiba Inu is preparing for another major price change. Investors who may remember the thrill and possible gains from previous rallies may be enticed by this scenario, which interests market experts. What gives whales the want to stockpile Shiba Inus to unprecedented levels? Are their eyes more acute than ours? Someone on the Shiba Inu development team just posted about how busy they are, how they need help, and how important people like Calderia and Shidoshi Kusama are to the team. It appears from this message that the crew is still dedicated and grateful for the support of the community, even though they may not be providing as many public updates as before. Investors may feel more comfortable putting their money into the project if the development team is so open and committed. Efforts to enhance and develop the Shiba Inu environment are happening behind the scenes. The whale's faith in the project's sustainability and future growth might be a result of this level of commitment. Because whales have a history of removing tokens from exchanges, it's possible that they see the team's commitment as a good indicator. People may have the belief that Shiba Inu's worth could be enhanced in the future as a result of continuous development activities. Consequently, they remain committed to amassing tokens, hoping for a possible rise in value due to developments in technology and consumer demand. Have you thought about this? Leave a comment below. I'd love to hear what you have to say about it. If you're interested in finding out more, just click on one of the videos displayed. And with that, the video has concluded. Please hit the like button and share the video with your friends if you found it entertaining. In terms of the YouTube algorithm, this is incredibly useful. In addition, we ask that you forward this video to as many people as you can in order to spread the word.